Looking for a mechanical keyboard that combines reliability, style, and durability? The Corsair mechanical keyboard with German-made cherry mix keyswitches delivers exactly that. Its smooth, linear response gives you the precision you need whether you're gaming or typing, while IP32 protection keeps it safe from everyday accidents so your flow never breaks. I got this keyboard for my wife after she fell for the one I've been using. The nostalgic clickety-clack sound instantly brings back memories, but it's far from just a retro charm. The backlit keys shine bright, making it easier to stay in the zone during late-night gaming sessions or intense work marathons. What sets this keyboard apart is the Corsair iCUE software. It lets you customize dynamic lighting effects, program complex macros, and sync the lighting across all your compatible Corsair gear, from coolers to fans. This means your entire setup can have a unified look that matches your style and mood. The USB 2.0 type of connection ensures a stable and fast link to your PC, minimizing input lag and maximizing responsiveness. Whether you're battling in an epic game or powering through a project, every keystroke registers with flawless accuracy. If you're someone who values both form and function, this keyboard offers a lightweight design without sacrificing build quality. It's perfect for gamers and professionals who want a dependable tool that feels great to use and looks impressive on any desk. Worth a look if you want a keyboard that blends classic mechanical feel with modern tech. The IP32 rating means you don't have to worry about spills or dust interrupting your gameplay or work, giving you peace of mind during every session. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a keyboard that delivers on every level. The Corsair mechanical keyboard isn't just about keys, it's about enhancing your entire experience with precision, style, and lasting performance. Don't settle for less when it comes to your keyboard. With reliable cherry mix switches, customizable lighting, and durable protection, this keyboard is designed to keep up with you. Elevate your game and your workflow with Corsair's trusted technology.